Banana monster. Banana monster. Charlie was telling his baby brother Chester a story about monsters. Monsters are huge and scary, said Charlie. Ooh, 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 said Chester. Hope I never meet one. Sorry, little Chester. Chocolate Charlie. Charlie. My nation believed in most monsters. Now I'm a little hungry. Time to visit my secret squash of banana. Dad, what are you doing?
Okay, we have to start over.